Hi loves. So when it comes to the bedroom, women are a lot harder to please because women live inside their head the majority of times. A woman can hop in the bed and feel nothing. I'm not talking about the easy women here. I'm actually referring to actual women of substance. So it takes a rare kind of guy that can ignite sexual desire in a woman and make her feel excited and want to jump on the bed with him. I know when I say a rare kind of guy, you probably think I'm referring to looks and stature, but you are wrong. The fact is this: making a woman crave for you sexually starts in the mind. It's about understanding the way around her body, mind, and soul. So, if there was one phrase to describe how women get aroused, it is called build up. Build up. So, this is a secret only some guys will understand. While men can quickly go from 0 to 100, women need to be eased into the moment. Okay? Women need time to build up. Okay? Women need to be eased into the moment over a period of minutes and sometimes hours. So, this refers to gradual buildup of sexual tension that eventually makes her crave you. So, the first step to doing this is making sure that there is already an emotional connection. She needs to feel safe and secure in your presence before she can be vulnerable in her sexuality. Unlike men, she can't feel that state of arousal and lust before the emotional foundation is laid. So that is what makes a woman to lay a guard down for anything sexual because women live on how you make them feel. You can do all the logical things, the knowledge, the wisdom. It won't matter because women live on emotion. They live on how you make them feel. So, there is this interesting psychological phenomenon called effective priming. People are more likely to associate positive qualities to something when they are already in a happier mood and positive mood themselves. And it also works in reverse. If you understand these concepts and then apply it in the context of your relationship, so you'll see why it's important for women that feel the positive emotion and comfort, okay, prior to sex. So think of effective priming like this: the emotional terrain you set during the day or the week serves as a backdrop for your interaction, sexual or otherwise. It's like setting a stage for a performance. So, if you've done your job right, the lighting, the sound, and your performance reaches a crescendo, then you will leave your audience, in this case, your woman, in awe. So let me give you a takeaway. When she's already in a good emotional state, where she's valued, where she feels valued, respected, and loved, she's already preconditioned to view you and your action in a positive light. So at this point, you are not starting every single emotional or sexual encounter from zero. You are actually starting from an elevated platform where it is so easy for you to reach that higher level of intimacy and satisfaction. So, if you want to be that man who understands a woman's body, mind, and soul, you need to put more effort, okay? Because a man who does this is every woman's dream man, okay? Understanding a woman's body, understanding a woman's mind, understanding how to put her in the mood is what every woman desire in a man. So guys, I hope these tips are helpful. So if you find this video useful, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss another interesting and helpful content. Thank you so much, and then see you in my next video. And I love you so much. Bye.